discuss about the corporate social responsibility under Chapter 5. So, the corporate social responsibility is a company's commitment to manage the social, environmental and economic effects to its operation and responsibility and in line with public expectations. So, here what we have, the whole idea of this corporate social responsibility is companies take things from the outside to do their production and do the business. Because of that, they just try to give something to the society since they are taking resources from the society. This is the whole objective of this corporate social responsibility. So, nowadays people talk about this very much because most of companies do CSR, means corporate social responsibility projects to support the society while improving their brand image. So, corporate social responsibility is a management concept whereby companies integrate social and environmental concerns in their business operations and interactions with their stakeholders. So, when it comes to corporate social responsibility, there are a lot of stakeholders who are interacted with this. So, CSR, who are the stakeholders? Society. Society is one of the stakeholders which interact with CSR projects which are doing by the company. Customers. Customers are another stakeholders who will interact with CSR projects. And employees. Employees, business partners, who interact with companies to do CSR projects, shareholders. There's also other parts of the company who interact with their companies to do CSR projects. In this chapter, in this part of this chapter, we see how companies can do CSR projects for society, customers, employees, business partners and their shareholders. So, that is the main objective. Now, corporate social responsibility plays major role in the business world because most of companies realize that they have to do something to the society, especially to do the business. Without support from the society, they can't do their production and business. So, because of that, they usually invest and spend more on corporate social responsibilities. So, after that we are going to discuss why social responsibilities towards society. So, when it comes to social responsibility, we can divide that we do social responsibilities towards the society, towards our consumers of our products, employees and investors. Society, employees, our consumers, customers, and finally investors. So, that is why, we are going to discuss in which way that companies can do CSR project while focusing on society, employees, customers and investors. So, those are very important concepts, and always companies should try to satisfy the need of whenever the society requests. For example, we will discuss how companies can do CSR companies to support the well-being of the society. Social service responsibility, corporate social responsibility towards a society. First, do production without pollution. Do production without pollution. So most of the companies try to do their production by using different technology while improving the efficiency, and do the production by minimizing the pollution or without pollution. That is one of the way that social companies can do social responsibility towards the society. And other one is do not do any business activities which destroy social values. So whenever companies do businesses, they have to be mindful, and they should not do the things which destroy the value of destroy the social value. So those are the ways in which that social companies can do social responsibility towards the society. And there are a lot of companies who do CSR projects while focusing on the society. For example, I remember sometimes insurance companies do social service initiatives to help society to be healthy society. Sometimes they have some medical camps while providing spectacles, and sometimes they do the medical testing, blood test, and the sugar, the cholesterol and diabetes. They do some medical camps and try to encourage people to have a healthy lifestyle. So that is one of the social service initiatives which they can do towards the society. And I remember some general insurance companies provide a lot of series, seminars, giving the knowledge to the children how to follow the road rules, right? So those are social responsibility. They do those as corporate CSR that initiatives while focusing on the well-being of the society. So those are some of the examples that I shared which companies do CSR activities while focusing on the society. And after that, other focus is let's say about customers, social responsibility towards consumers, customers, provide true information about the products. So that also is social service, right? They should be able to give true information to the customers, then only they will be happy, and in another way that will be a service for the for that consumer to get the maximum benefit. Another one is do not charge unethically. Sometimes when we talk about, I remember when, especially in this pandemic situation, some people, some companies are charged much higher than the market price, and so those are not ethical. Then those, and what we call that as a company or as a business, we have to be ethical, and we should always remember that we have a responsibility to serve our consumers in a good way. And other one is provide high quality products. As a good business, as a good production company, we always try to provide good quality products to our consumers and use appropriate ingredients, especially for food. Sometimes there are small manufacturers use the MSG, which is harmful for human body. So likewise, we have to be very careful, and we always should try that, because we should try to provide good approved ingredients when we especially make food to our consumers. So those also, in a way, those can be taken as company's responsibility towards the consumer, to protect the consumer. After that, we are going to discuss about the social responsibility towards employees. Employees first is companies should create a good employer-employee relationship. That is also very important for the society, and provide job security, because when someone comes to do a job, sometimes we know that they have their financial commitments. So because of that, companies always try to give a job security for employees they have, because if something happens and if they lose a job, then that might be a big problem for the family and the lifestyle of the family, and everything will be collapsed.